Hello friends, so in this lecture we are going to learn about just how to change the color of the jacket or the clothes. Okay, so we see here this model is wearing a jacket, so we are gonna change his jacket color. Alright, for this first we have to select the jacket, so we are gonna use our quick selection tool. Alright, and just select his jacket. Okay, so this is press the control plus key, or you can just press the Z key to zoom in. Okay, and again W to select the quick selection tool and select his jacket completely. Okay, if something is uh, extra selected, then just hold on your alt key or select this tool to remove the extra part. Okay, now you see here a plus to add the selection in the our selection area, and for this to have to subtract the selection. Okay, so we are going to select our model, just model's jacket, just like this. All right, this is missing, so we are going to select this one also. Okay, so up to the top, just like this. So the make sure we have a photo that is the much more pixels, so we're gonna just zoom in, select using the quick selection. If the image is not clear or not just like in the HD, so you will use their pen tool to select the outline of the plus. Okay, so in that case the pen tool will work good, and in this case the pen tool will also great work. Okay, so we're gonna select the quick selection for the first, and just like the better work. Okay, so if you want just like perfectly work, and if you are not hands-on on the quick selection tool, then you can use the pen tool. Okay, the same from here. All right, and this will, we can just add the remaining part here. All right, so this will be selected, I guess. Okay, this is the extra part, and add this one. Okay, so this is selected, we're gonna just remove this one. All right, so select the complete jacket, just like this. Okay, so this is the area, so select this one also. All right, now see, this will just remove it. So you know, in this type of work you have to just select the perfectly selection. You don't have to select just like, okay, this will be work in my time. No, you have to select the perfectly area. Just like if I want to select the jacket, then I will select the jacket, not the extra part. Okay, and select this one completely. Don't just like to uh, take this like if this will be add extra, then it's okay. You have to subtract this one, because it will show some little bit color on the t-shirt that will show that you have edited it. So just remove this one. Okay, add this too. All right, okay, so this is the selected. We will just remove this one, and when you zoom out, so you see our jacket is selected, so just press right click and select and mask. Okay, so your jacket, just to the smoothness of the edges and some contrast to just to make the edges sharp, not to the blur, because this will somewhat blur our edges smooth, and we'll just contrast it. Okay, so the my jacket is selected. All right, the 10%. Okay, so now what I have to do, just select this one, the okay, control set the black white, and do to green filter, and we will check if something is extra selected or not. Okay, so this is perfectly selected, and now you have to just do it to the solid color. Select this color that you want on the jacket, just like this. If I want 012457, the blue color. Okay, now right click, create clipping mask, and this color will just complete select my jacket, and we change the blend mode to the color. All right, and now I'm gonna add some curves. If you want to add some the effect lightning, just like this, the dark one in my jacket. Okay, and make this one also the create clipping. So you see I have just changed my jacket color this to this. So just like this you can do multiple copies. Okay, I'm gonna just save it. Just press Ctrl Shift S and save to the PNG, to the shirt blue. Okay, so this is my first one, and if you want another copy, then you don't have to just do this process. Okay, you just click here and select a different color like this. Okay, so we'll select this one and just Ctrl Shift S again, the PNG or JPEG format, and save it to the shirt. This is a shade of purple. Okay, or a violet magenta. So you see I have selected a save two image, two with the different jacket colors. So we will say here, this is my two shirts. You see the first one is my blue and the second one is my purple, and this is my original. Okay, so just like this you can create a multiple copies of different colors, or you can change any color, just like the shirt color, the jacket, t-shirt, pant. You can change the what color you want, just like the skin tone color, or to make a to change the hair color, the eye color. You can use this technique and change the color whatever you want.